Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav back with one more video. This video is going to be for freshers and of course like for experienced professional also, but which will be little subjective because they have experience. So for the freshers, I would like to share some points which like out of my experience, like out of my industry experience, I gained it. So this is something what I'm speaking like. This is not a scripted. I'm not using any in fact AI tool for this. This is purely human generated, in fact Gaurav generated script, and I'm going to share that with you. So coming to the point, this statement you all might have heard, right? uh, Jack of all, master of none. So in current scenario, I would like to modify this statement, or I think I have heard this statement somewhere, which is a good one actually. So it says, Jack of all and master of one. So it means that jack of all, when we say that current scenario, so many things are going on, like in the tech industry there is AI, cloud, IoT, right? Sometimes really confusing, full stack, right? Sometimes really confusing which side freshers should go for. And it's difficult to decide. They take time, right? And until that time their opportunity will be lost. So to like address that, it's a better idea in current scenario to always have some idea of each in everything, because see, you never know, when you will join the industry, or when you will join your first project, which area you will be working for. So you might be the thing is that you might be interested in cloud, and you will keep on reading this cloud, and let's say for that matter, Azure. And then at the end, let's say, what if you will get AI? You have to work on AI, right, in the starting. So I mean, that's why it's good to have all idea of all, and one area one can be little master, not too much deep, but yes, so that you can say that I have understanding of this, like I have understanding of AI, cloud, I have understanding of development, web development, I have understanding of little, in fact I would add on to it, like it's always good to understand business also, because whatever tech we are working, right, it's ultimately a part of business. I'm not being biased because I'm supporting as a business kind of what to say, in tech industry, when you will come, right, there's a tech role, functional role, business role, right? So I am being mapped to other sides also, other than tech, business role, functional role. So I'm not being biased, but yes, it's true that it's better to understand that part also. Let's say example, I have taken an example of banking finance, so you should know, like, let's say, take example of bank, right? What are the functions? So you might be creating a web application which is supporting loan or repayment, something like that. Or else, if you are interested in let's say any other domain, let's say communication domain, so that billing is there, something like something called as OSS, BSS, telecom billing. And if you are working for life sciences, then definitely there is separate patient data, clinical trial data, that kind of things. So I mean, how these things are beneficial when you go into interview, or you talk to let's say your first project, like somebody other side of the table, they will feel confident about it, that this person who is starting the journey knows so much of things, right? And definitely it will surely help you that way. So we have to, at fresher stage we should understand each and everything, so that it will not hinder us to understand terminology of industry, and as well as one area we can have some mastery, not very deep, but yes. So I think, guys, that's it for today. I believe I just thought to share my uh, my experience with you, and maybe I would love to see your comments regarding which technology you are interested, or which area specifically you are learning. Please share it in comments. Thanks.